Hey everybody and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make Valorant account public in Tracker. So if you want to do that, you need to simply sign in with your right ID, put in here your right ID, and then once you do, you will be able to see that all of your stats are going to be visible in here. You need to head over to riotgames.com and sign into account you wish to make public. Then head over to your tracker.gg, and then you need to sign in with the correct account. Then it is going to be done. So this is two-step process to make your Valorant account stats listed in Tracker. And yeah, so basically this sums this tutorial up. If you want to know and learn more about this kind of videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.